Welcome to this tutorial that explains how to insert an editable text box in the PowerPoint Slide Master. In this guide you will learn how to add a text box that you can modify directly in the Slide Master, making it easy to update and maintain consistency throughout your presentation. We will begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. When you start the program, take a moment to ensure that all your files are saved and any necessary updates have been completed so that you can work seamlessly. Once PowerPoint is open, locate and open the presentation in which you want to add an editable text box. This process is straightforward whether you are working on a new presentation or editing an existing one. Navigate to the File menu or simply open the file from your desktop or designated folder. By ensuring you have your presentation open, you are ready to proceed with editing the slide master. After you have your presentation, direct your attention to the various menus at the top of the PowerPoint window. Look for the option labeled Insert, as this will provide you with a range of objects and elements that can be added to your slides. The Insert tab is essential because it hosts many tools including shapes, images, and text boxes that can enhance your presentation. When you click on this tab, it will reveal all the available features that you can use to build your slides. Within the Insert tab, locate the text box option. This feature is crucial because it allows you to add custom text areas where you can type in any content you need, and importantly, you have the flexibility to adjust the text directly on the slide master. Upon clicking the text box button, your cursor will change, indicating that you are now in text insertion mode. With this change, you have the freedom to click anywhere within the slide master where you would like the text box to appear. Next, place your cursor on the slide master at the position where you want the text box to be located. Simply click once and a new text box will appear. The text box is now ready for your input. Begin typing the text you want to display in the slide master. As you type, you will notice that the box expands to accommodate your content, allowing you ample space to make your text clear and legible. If you need to adjust the size or position of the text box later on, you can easily click and drag the edges or move the box to a more suitable location. This tutorial has guided you through each step methodically: launching PowerPoint, opening your presentation, navigating to the Insert tab, selecting the text box, and finally typing your text. With this process complete, every slide that inherits the master slide layout will display your editable text, making it simpler for you to maintain a uniform appearance across your entire presentation. This method is particularly helpful when you need to update information in multiple slides simultaneously. Now that you have learned how to insert an editable text box into the slide master, you can enhance the overall design and functionality of your presentations. Continue exploring further customization options within PowerPoint's rich suite of design tools to advance your slide creation skills. Enjoy creating impactful and consistent presentations with this useful technique.